Hi everyone, welcome back to RC Pi. Here today to just check out the Res V3 speed controller and transmitter update that I did. First time driving it, so yeah, we've got the little Jimny here. Going to give it a little run over Rabbit Rocks and see if this thing is controllable, if the modulation's better. Having said that, I didn't really get a chance to drive the first one, but give it a good run out, see what it's made of, and I'll let you know what I think. Well, I'm not sure what to say. I really don't like the sound on the Res V3. I don't know what it's supposed to sound like, but it ain't any kind of petrol engine I've ever heard. Even a massive American one. It sounds like an old tractor. Modulation, throttle modulation, it's okay. It's not great. I certainly wouldn't consider it any sort of upgrade over any standard radio gear. You know, it's got the features like the channel for the winch, and then an extra channel in the light ports. So if you want to do all that, if you want to take your little WPL seriously and do all that sort of thing, then it could be a good upgrade for you. For me, would I put one in something else? No, I wouldn't bother, to be quite frank. But for a WPL or an MN, if you don't want to spend big and you want to be able to fit things in with a small package, then it's probably a good thing. It's probably a good upgrade then, especially if you've got a 2-speed box that you want to put in. Latest thoughts on the Jimny. I really don't like the running gear. I really do not like it. If I'm going to keep this, if I'm going to do anything with it, I think I'm going to have to just change the chassis completely. I don't know. Watch this space. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will let you know what happens with this as time moves on. But for now, I'm going to go and drive something else. So thanks for watching. See you soon on RC Pi.